All right, now I'm going to show you how to visualize this HMI screen on your browser. This is quite easy. For example, at the moment, if you remember, you have an IP address associated with the PLC. You need to know the IP address. So I can find that maybe in the settings. So this is the IP address 192.168.1.110. That's the IP address you need. So open your browser and put the IP address 168.1.110. Press enter and it will show you, oh, this is a bit scary, but don't worry, you can continue to this website and then you will directly see your HMI. This is quite easy. So this is the same HMI and you can see the voltage on my screen. This is a digital inputs which are also updated, and that's my inputs for the outputs. So this is quite easy. Just put the HMI, just put the IP address of your PLC on the browser and there you go. Just put the ID and password. But one thing you must be sure of, at the moment this PLC is connected to my desktop directly via one Ethernet cable. That's why I can see directly in my PC. If you are not connected directly to the PLC, if you're in your networks, you can also do that. That makes it more easy, okay? Or if you have a Wi-Fi access point, you can connect to your PLC and connect via Wi-Fi device. That's also quite easy. But the idea is just use the IP address, because the web server is defined in the PLC. We are just extracting that web server and showing it in our computer. Okay, you can have multiple screens, or you can have multiple clients connected to this web server. That's also possible. So this is one of the advantages of PLCnext. You don't have to buy an HMI. You just create the HMI inside the PLC and call it using this web server. So you are saving a lot of money for the HMI hardware. And you can also use normal Android or iPads and put it on your machine if you want, and you can see the HMI as well. So this is one of the benefits PLCnext has, that you have inbuilt web server inside, and it's so easy to create it. You have seen in the videos. It's just drag and drop, put the variables, and that's done. So this was about how you can visualize HMI web server on the browser connected to my computer. And in the next video, we'll start with OPC, how to work with OPC in PLCnext. All right, so see you in the next video.